this video I will be talk about the muscle attachment of the radius and in my previous video I was talked about the site determination and osteology of the radius. Both videos link given in the description box. Now talk about the muscle attachment of the radius. Muscle attachment. This is our part 3, muscle attachment. For the muscular attachment, I will draw a diagram of the radius. This is the anterior view of the radius and this is the posterior view. This is the posterior view. This is the Lister tubercle. There is 4 grooves. Each grooves present on each side of the tubercle. This is our anterior oblique line. This is the posterior oblique line. Firstly, I will talk about the muscle insertion on the radius. Muscle insertion. Muscular insertion. Those muscle which insert on the radius. वो मसल जो मेरी रेडियस में आके अटैच हुए हैं, इंसर्ट हुए हैं, उनके बारे में बात करते हैं. फर्स्ट मसल which is on the posterior part of the radial tuberosity. Posterior groove, posterior rough part of the radial tuberosity inserted. These muscles are called biceps brachii. On the posterior part, if we cut at the level of radial tuberosity, then we will find those type of structure. We will find those type of structure, and this is the upper part. This is the upper smooth part, and this is anterior smooth part, and this is the posterior smooth part. Our biceps brachii inserted on the posterior smooth part. There is insertion of the biceps brachii. This is the first muscle. Now second muscle which is inserted on the just back to the radial tuberosity. This muscle is called supinator muscle. This muscle is called supinator muscle. This is responsible for the supination. This is responsible for the supination. This is pronation. This is supination. This muscle will help in the supination. Now our third muscle which is on the just below the anterior oblique line, this muscle is called pronator teres. Pronator teres. And on the medial side, this muscle is called pronator quadratus. This is quadrangular muscle. That's why it is called quadratus. Quadratus means 4 sides. Quads means 4. This muscle have 4 sides. That's why it is called pronator quadratus. And it also help in the pronation. It will help in the pronation, and pronator teres also help in the pronation. And now our last muscle which is inserted on the just above the radial tuberosity, just above the stellate process. This muscle is called brachioradialis. This muscle is called brachioradialis. Brachioradialis is inserted on the just above the lower end, just above the stellate process. This muscle is called brachioradialis. First muscle which is inserted on the posterior rough part, this is biceps brachii. Second muscle is supinator, and third muscle is pronator teres, which is inserted just below the anterior oblique line, and fourth muscle is pronator quadratus, and fifth is brachioradialis. Five muscles are inserted on the radius. Now after the insertion I will talk about the muscle origin of the muscle which take from the radius. रेडियस से जो मसल ओरिजिन हो रही हैं उनके बारे में बात करते हैं. फर्स्ट मसल विच टेक ओरिजिन फ्रॉम द एंटीरियर ओब्लिक लाइन, दिस मसल इज कॉल्ड flexor digitorum superficialis. This muscle is take origin from the anterior oblique line, and on the anterior surface there is a one foramen. This foramen is called nutrient foramen. इस फोरामेन का नाम न्यूट्रिएंट फोरामेन. एंड फ्रॉम द न्यूट्रिएंट फोरामेन वन आर्टरी विल passes. This artery is called nutrient branch of anterior interosseous artery. This artery is called nutrient branch of the anterior interosseous artery. This artery will passes through the nutrient foramen, and after this foramen there is one muscle which take origin from the interosseous border. This muscle is called flexor pollicis longus. This muscle is called flexor pollicis longus. And on the posterior surface there is one muscle which take origin from the interosseous border, posterior surface of the interosseous border. This muscle is called extensor. This muscle is called abductor pollicis longus, and there is one also muscle. This muscle is called extensor pollicis brevis. This is our abductor pollicis longus, and this is extensor pollicis brevis. There is four muscle which originate from the radius. On the anterior surface there is two muscle which take origin, and on the posterior surface there is two muscle which take origin, and those muscles will passes through this groove. Those muscles tendon of both muscles will passes. Those muscles will communicate and form a tendon. This tendon will passes through this groove. Those tendon are abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis. Those tendon will passes through this groove. On the posterior surface there is four groove, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This groove will passes through two muscles tendon. This tendon are abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis. And through this second groove there is two tendons will passes. Those tendons are extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpi radialis brevis. Those muscles tendon will passes through our second groove of the lower end on the posterior surface of the radius. This both muscles tendon will passes through this groove, and now on this groove there is extensor pollicis longus tendon. Tendon of the extensor pollicis longus passes through this groove, and now this groove passes four structures. Those structures are extensor digitorum, extensor indices, extensor digitorum, extensor indices, posterior interosseous nerve and anterior interosseous artery. These four structures will passes through these grooves, and from those grooves is passes one structure, one tendon. This tendon is called extensor pollicis longus, and from this tendon will these grooves two tendon will passes. These tendons are extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpi radialis brevis, and from this tendon there is two muscles, abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis. Those muscles tendon will passes through the first groove. These are the muscular attachment and origin of the four muscles which take origin from the radius, and insertion is 5 muscle will inserted on the radius. There is 5 muscle which is inserted on the radius. This is supinator. On the this supinator will turn posteriorly. This is supinator insertion. These are all about the muscular origin and insertion on the radius.